Introducing the brand new VTCT regulated injectable training pathways, launching this September at Cosmetic College. For far too long, beauty professionals have been offered fast-track routes, unregulated providers, and qualifications that simply don't hold up under scrutiny. That ends now. VTCT Skills is here to raise the standard, with a fully regulated aesthetics progression route designed specifically for non-medics from Level 4 all the way to our new Level 7 injectables qualification. And for healthcare professionals, we offer the VTCT Level 7 certificate and diploma in aesthetic practice, JCCP approved and taught by experienced healthcare professionals, giving you confidence that your training aligns with the standards of your registered body. Spaces for 2025 are limited due to our small, intimate class sizes. Secure your future in aesthetics with a £500 booking fee, fully regulated and safe, clear, structured route from Level 4 to Level 7. Not sure which pathway is right for you? Book a call with one of our course advisors today and take the first step toward a regulated, respected career in aesthetics.